Hello everyone, in this video, we are going to learn about all the use cases of uniq command using shell scripting. First option, print only the uniq lines. Second option is used to prefix lines by the number of occurrences. Third option is used to print only duplicate lines. Fourth option is used to print all duplicate lines. Fifth option is used to avoid comparing first end fields. Sixth option is used to ignore differences in case when comparing. Seventh option is used to avoid comparing the first end characters. Eighth option is used of to print unique lines. Ninth option is used to end lines with 0 bytes. 10th option is used to compare no more than n characters in lines. 11th option is used to no version option of the latest version of uniq. 12th option is to exit from the script. If any doubt, please comment in the comment section box. If you want to learn shell scripting, Linux, and Python in detail, please check the link in the description box. Thank you.